this one you guys can see. This is the hose fittings. This one will be inserted into the hoses, okay? And this one is the hose ferrules, also called as sleeves, okay? This is put outside of the hose outer diameter, okay? And then this is the hose, okay? The three parts have to be crimped very tightly, okay? And if you have an angle cutting tools, you cut the hose assembly fittings, cut it into half. You guys maybe noticed the teeth of the ferrules here inside. You guys maybe can see there are a lot of teeth inside the inner side of the ferrules, okay? And there will be also some steps here into the hose fittings, okay? And then the reinforcement of the high pressure hose will be between these two parts, okay?